Let's talk about jobs today. If someone asks you, unsa imong trabaho, that person is asking, what is your job? Again, the question is, unsa imong trabaho? If you want to say that you're already retired, then you can say, wala, retired nako. Wala, retired nako. Now, if you want to say that you're still looking for a job, you can say, wala, gapangita pa ko. Again, wala, gapangita pa ko. And then, if you want to say that you're a full-time student and not currently working, you can say, wala, estudyante ko. Wala, estudyante ko means it's pretty understood that you don't have a job right now because you're a full-time student. If you want to say that you're an entrepreneur, you can say, negosyante ko. Negosyante ko. Traditional jobs in Bisaya are very similar in Spanish. So, for example, as a teacher, if you're a male teacher, you can say, maestro ko. Maestro ko. If you're a female teacher, you can say, maestra ko. Maestra ko. Then doctor, you can just say, doktor ko. Or you can be more specific, doktora ko if you're a female. Then lawyer, we have abogado for male, abogada for female. Then if you don't really want to give details about your job, just want to have like a general detail. For example, you are a government employee. You can just say, sa gobyerno ko nagtrabaho. Sa gobyerno ko nagtrabaho means that you work in for the government. Then if you work from home, you can say, sa balay ko gatrabaho. And usually, people would follow up with that question, unsay mong trabaho sa balay? Unsay mong ginabuhat? What do you do? So if you want to just say a vague answer like, ga-edit kog video, means like, I do video editing. Gasulat ko means like you're an author or an article writer. Or you can just say, gabaliga ako maskin unsa, I sell anything. And that's it. If you have questions, feel free to drop them in the comment section below. Hangtod sa sunod. Salamat!